Hello everybody, good morning. I have a new video for you today. In this box I have something from my favorite security camera company, Reolink. And before you say anything about my t-shirt tan, I know it's horrendous. I'm wearing a tank top to try to take care of that. But let's get to this video. In this box I have a new camera from Reolink. Boom. In this box is a completely wireless camera. This is the brand new Argus 4 Pro Plus. This has a solar panel, it's Wi-Fi, completely wireless. All you need to do is just mount it and connect to your Wi-Fi and you are good to go. So I'm gonna be setting this up so that I can keep an eye on things in our garden and on our homestead. And I needed another Wi-Fi camera. Inside you have the user manual, and I've never seen one of these before. This is a brand new product that just came out from Reolink. The Reolink solar panel, freaking awesome. I have one of these on our school bus, the mounting for it. And in here is the mounting plate and the hardware that you'll need to attach it all to your building or wherever you're gonna place this. Going further into the box is the camera itself. There you go. This is the Reolink Argus 4 Pro Plus. It is a ultra wide view camera. This has two lenses and can cover an extremely wide area of view, 180 degree view from one camera. So this can catch a lot of things. I think what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting it on this post right behind us, and it'll give us a big view of our garden and our homestead, our bus over there, and just be a great view of pretty much everything on our property. I just have this last box right here, mounting hardware for the camera itself. There's its base, charging cable, strap, mounting tab, hardware, and that's it for that box. So I'm gonna get up on a ladder. I'm gonna be putting it on this post right behind me, and this will kind of keep an eye over everything here at the property. I'm gonna be mounting everything right here on this post. I'm gonna be putting the solar panel up high, the camera just below it, and that will give us a good view of our garden, our bus, and the two buildings. So I've worked with Reolink several times. I have their cameras watching over my bus and at the property when we're not here. Reolink sent me out this Argus 4 Pro after CES. It was a new product that they had just developed. So I wanted to introduce the Argus 4 Pro to you.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera. Willkommen bei Reolink. Bitte Reolink App installieren und den QR-Code auf der Kamera scannen.
All I have to do now is scan the Reolink app on my phone. It's going through a welcome thing and it's telling you to scan the QR code. So all I got to do is do that now. I've got the camera all set up. It's on, it's working, everything's good. I'm just going to tack these wires up a little bit higher so that it looks a little bit neater. I'm just going to tack this wire up with some zip ties just to neaten it up a little bit, and then I'll show you a little bit of what the camera view looks like and what this covers. So there we have it. That's my finished installation on the Reolink Argus 4 Pro Plus with the solar panel. It is all functional, and I will go into my screen capture right now, show you the recording of how the app works and what this camera can really cover. All in all, this took me about 20 minutes to do, and I took my time. This can be done very quickly, can be set up super easily. You don't even need any wires. All you got to do is connect it to your Wi-Fi, and this is all in one. This just sits here on its own, and you don't have to worry about running a cable over to your security cameras so that you can get coverage. I'm making a recording on the camera using the camera's audio and video right now to show you the camera view that you can get out of the Argus 4 Pro Plus. And you know, it's a very wide angle screen. This is the audio that the microphone is picking up. It's not the best audio in the world, but there's a thing happening, a situation happening out here. You can definitely make out the voice out what's happening. It's good for reference. It's certainly not recording studio quality or anything like that. But this is huge field of view. I'm just using my phone so that I know that I'm in the view. But I'm going to go all the way over here. All the way over here. This building is, I don't know, 12 feet deep. And I'm almost like, this is 180 degrees. Like, this is a washing machine that we got. This is like 180 degrees. I'm almost perpendicular to this camera right now. I just wanted to show you what this camera can do. I can walk, like, I'm walking almost straight directly up to the camera, and you can still see me with this wide angle view. Here I am. Hello, hello. I'll walk over here to the other building. The other building is the same distance away. I'm almost perpendicular to the camera right now, and you can still clearly see me down here on the side of the building. Huge field of view, huge. So as I come around, I just wanted to, put up some live recordings of the camera and the way it will look when you are viewing this from your property or your RV or your bus. It's a fantastic camera to catch a whole bunch of stuff that's happening. If you were to put this like on the side of your bus, you could see everything down the passenger side from the front to the back of the bus. You really get a good amount of view from the camera. So I just thought it would be good to throw some real life audio and video from this camera up on this video so you can get a good sample of what it looks like. I have the camera mounted up pretty high, so I'm on a ladder right now so I can be at eye level with you, talking to you about this camera. Now, there is a stitch in the center of these two lenses, and they stitch the image together, so you're actually seeing two images that are stitched together. And I don't know if you can see, when I put my hand in the middle, this can be adjusted, and you can do this in the app. You can adjust the stitch just right so that it lines up perfectly. And it might get a little bit blurry right there in the center, but it's really not that big of an issue for me. This camera has a lot of awesome features. First of all, it's 4K, full high definition in 4K on this camera. I upload my videos in 1080p, so you're not even going to see the actual resolution of the camera, but it is very good. It has a built-in floodlight so that you can use it as a motion light. Another feature that it has that I just absolutely love and I can't say enough about is the time-lapse feature. We're in monsoon season right now in Arizona. The weather is very dramatic and it makes for an awesome video. I put up this video of us putting some walls on our cabin and doing a little bit of building, all captured on the Reolink Argus 4 Pro. So now I'd like to read you a little bit of information about the Argus 4 Pro off the Reolink website. So you don't have to. 4K UHD 180 degree blind spot free view. Thanks to dual image stitching technology, the dual lenses can stitch together two views into one seamless perspective. Dual image stitching produces smooth images with minimal distortion at 180 degree field of view, which is over double the field of view of a standard single lens field of view camera. Real 180 degree perspective. See everything, fear nothing. Incredible 180 degree field of view that gives over double the perspective of a standard camera. Capture the crucial details of any moment with crisp 4K image quality and unmatched flexibility even at night. Color vision night and day. Experience full color night vision with Reolink Color X technology. With their aperture lens and CMOS sensor, this camera captures 4 times more light for vivid, true-to-life details even in low light conditions. 30% more battery life. Innovations like Color X eliminate the typical frustrations of IR night cameras. Based on Reolink laboratory testing, you'll save 2 watt-hours per hour and get up to 12 extra days of standby time. Experience extended performance and eco-friendliness simultaneously. Wi-Fi 6 ready, smooth 4K streaming. Equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi 6 technology, establishing a new benchmark in wireless connectivity for seamless 4K streaming, improved stability and lower latency. Easy installation anywhere. IP66 weatherproof rating makes the Argus 4 Pro perfect for outdoor installation. Being battery powered, it has Wi-Fi connectivity, so there's no need for Ethernet cables. This wireless setup allows for greater ease of installation and flexible positioning of the security camera. Enhanced smart detection. Argus 4 Pro comes with a 180-degree ultra-wide angle passive infrared sensor that works in harmony with its wide field of view, ensuring comprehensive detection coverage. My personal opinion of Reolink cameras now that I've used them for over 6 months has been excellent. I have not had connectivity issues, battery issues, solar issues. I have not had any of those issues with the Reolink cameras. I'm super happy with them. Based on their prices, availability on Amazon, and the Reolink website, I think they are an awesome camera to add to your security system, or build a Reolink all-in-one security system for everything. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to look in the description of this video for links to Reolink on Amazon and to the Reolink website. I'm certain you will find a perfect security camera solution for your application from Reolink.